Get into the 2020 Toyota Corolla. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This sleek Corolla delivers impressive fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and head-turning style. Comfortable, affordable, and equipped with today's lifestyle in mind, it makes every journey the best it can be. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection. If you've been looking for a sporty ride that's also safe and reliable, you found it. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will help you take it from here.